Quit picking bottoms. We're down over 600 points today. Yes, I'm speaking to all the talking heads out there in TV land. Quit picking the bottoms. Look at this. Dow's down 680 points. NASDAQ down 137. S&P's down 80 points. I mean, 80 points is like the Dow being down. The Dow should be down 80 points, not the S&P. I mean, look at this. Almost 9% down. Russell's down 11%. Look at that. Leading the group. Again, the Russell's leading the group to the downside. This is not the bottom. Big drop in the S&P, breaking down. Now, what's interesting here, if I blow this up just a little bit, we popped up over this resistance point here and over the 20-day moving average. That looked pretty bullish. I really thought this might start chopping around up above here and might start going bullish. Today changed everybody's mind. Now we have this big down leg, this little mini me up leg, and mind you, go look at the volume on the S&P. What was happening to the volume as we were coming up here? The volume was getting less and less and less, right? Showing that there were fewer interested buyers coming into the market here. Fewer traders interested at these higher levels. Boom, look at the volume today on this big dog. Big drop, breaking down below some nice, what should have been support areas, dropped right down. Thing that I'm paying special attention to as we speak are these two red lines. If you remember, those go all the way back to 2002 and 2003. Those need to act as support. If they do act as support and we do get a bounce, and the bounce has to go higher than this swing, so if we get a bounce going higher than 900 on the S&P, there's our double bottom. That will be our reversal pattern. So let me say that again. Take special note of what I'm saying here. If we drop down here and we hang up at the red line area and we bounce up, clearing this swing high, which is at 900. If we drop, bounce, and go beyond 900, there's our double bottom reversal pattern. Then there is a bottom, a short-term bottom, a long-term. It's anybody's guess at that moment, but that is a bottom. If that were to happen, you're going to find a lot of buyers coming into the market right there. Now, this has dropped with such ferocity, such power, that it should just cut through this first red line right here and get right to the second one, I imagine. That's what should happen. But we'll see. We'll count our chickens when the eggs hatch. If we break down below those and this trend line, this big blue trend line, woe to us. Game on the bear side. We're going to continue this leg down. Now, go to freetradingvideos.com, click on, let me just show it to you here. It's a little choppy here how I'm showing you this. Go to the website. Click on forums. I'm going to show you how to get here. Click on forums. Click on general trading chat. And then click on recession officially starts. Should say officially, not official start. And check this out. And read this article from Bloomberg today. Great article. We've been in a recession since 2007. That's when it first started. Let me show you something else that's really cool that I think you will appreciate. If you go back to forum, click on stocks. Another author thinks we're at a bottom. This is a great thread that's being placed. Look at the brilliant replies that are being put in there. Another author thinks we're at a bottom. You need to go there. You need to watch that and see what's happening. And there is a consensus on the boards. Now I'm going to show you something else. I'm going back to the S&P here. I'm going to go to the SPY, spiders on the S&P, and I'm going to go to there's their volume. Look at the volume dissipating on the rise there. Ominous. And then the volume popped right back up here on the drop. Wasn't near as big as what we had before, so keep special watch on that. If I see volume drying up as we get down here to this low right there, this could very easily be a double bottom. Keep an eye on the volume on the spiders. But I'm going to go to a monthly chart. Now watch this. And I'm going to go way back in time. Double top, right? It's only a double top if this low gets pierced. If this low gets pierced, then you have a double top in its biggest formation period. So watch. If we break those lows, we're in big time trouble. I mean, we're literally down here in the 5,000s on the Dow, you know, on the 500s in the S&P. It's the next stop. It could get very bloody. So there you have it. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com, and we're glad to have you. And listen, trade the trend. The trend is your friend, and the charts never lie. Take care until next time. Be safe.